What's up, guild members? Welcome back to Anime Taiyo for episode 10 of Anime News Blast. A new year has begun, and the anime industry wasted no time, kicking 2026 into high gear with some earth shattering announcements. From surprise movie finales to long awaited sequels, we have a packed show. Let's dive in. We start with the fresh news for 2026. On January 3rd, the beloved Magical Fighter returned. Magical Girl Lyrical Nanoha exceeds Gunblaze Vengeance from 7 arcs revealed a new teaser and visual for its July premiere. And for Love Life fans in Southeast Asia, great news arrived on January 2nd. Love Live Nijigasaki High School Idol Club. The movie finale chapter 2 is set to screen in cinemas across Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and the Philippines. Also on the 2nd, the Cosmic Odyssey continued as Star Blazer space battleship Yamato 3199 released the main visual and a new trailer for its Chapter 5 film premiering February 20th. The year opened with massive news on January 1st. First, a major manga adaptation. Historie, the acclaimed historical manga by Parasite's Hitoshi Iwaki, is finally getting a TV anime from Leiden Films. And the final hunt is almost here. Golden Kamuy. The final chapter released a new key visual ahead of its long-awaited premiere on January 5th, but the biggest New Year's shock came from the last day of 2025. Two titanic announcements dropped on December 31st. First, ReZero celebrated with a New Year's visual and the exciting announcement of a 10th anniversary project. And then, the bombshell. Kaguya-sama Love is War, the final chapter anime film, was officially announced. The final days of December were packed with previews for imminent premieres. Let's run through them. From December 30th, a slight delay, Cheetos is in the Ramune Bottle will delay its final episodes 11 through 13 to spring 2026. Now, for a flood of trailers from December 29th, Edo Fire Slayer highlighted its opening theme for its January 11th premiere. Dark Moon. The Blood Altar unveiled its main trailer for a January 9th start. Gnosia Core 2 got a new trailer for its January 10th premiere. The Holy Grail of Eris spotlighted its main opening theme for its January 8th premiere. And Detective Conan dropped a new trailer for its special 1-hour prequel episode Zero the Shinichi Kudo Aquarium Case, airing January 3rd. December 28th was a historic day for anime announcements. Kyoto Animation made a huge splash by announcing an adaptation of the hit manga Ruri Dragon. One Punch Man Season 3 Part 2, its second core, is officially slated for 2027. And the epic war saga Kingdom received a sequel announcement for its 6th season. Plus, the fan favorite Oshinoko Season 3 from Doga Kobo revealed a new key visual and trailer for its January 14th premiere. Looking further ahead, several shows locked in their premiere windows. Confirmed for an April 2026 premiere are Gals Can't Be Kind to Otaku from DMS Entertainment, The Food Diary of Miss Maid from EMT Square and Magic Bus, and Akane Banashi, which also added actor Akihisa Shiono as Kaisei Arakawa on December 29th. And for a July 2026 premiere, the intriguing A Witch in Mongolia from Science Saru revealed a beautiful teaser, trailer, and visual. More film news. The Irregular at Magic High School movie got a teaser, visual, and trailer for its the 8th of May 2026 release. The currently airing Whoever Steals This Book film revealed 4 new cast members and a music video. And the fated magical princess, Who Made Me a Princess, unveiled a new climax visual ahead of its finale. In special projects, Abema announced Project Prismation, an initiative for original anime with next-gen creators. Fate Grand Order released an anime music video for its finale theme, and illustrator Mai Yonyama shared a stunning 55-second animation from her solo exhibition. Let's wrap with some quick but important updates. A review dropped for Sentenced to be a Hero Episode 1. The Digimon Adventure 25th anniversary exhibition is heading to Malaysia. And for streaming news, Hell Teacher Jigoku Sensei Noobco 2 has been licensed for international streaming by Remo, and that, guild members, was an absolutely explosive start to the anime year. From Kaguya-sama's final chapter to Ruri Dragon's adaptation and everything in between, 2026 is already shaping up to be unforgettable. So, what was your top headline? The Kaguya-sama movie, One Punch Man's 2027 date, or Kyoto Animation's next big project? Let me know in the comments. If you want to stay on top of all this news as it breaks, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Anime Taiyo, signing off.